Hello viewers, welcome to the Daily Dossier by the Political and Business Daily. The big news coming in the morning is that the wanted gangster and mastermind of Kanpur killing, in which 8 police persons were killed, has been shot dead in an encounter by Uttar Pradesh police. You believe it or not, but according to the Kanpur police, he was coming from Ujjain to Kanpur and the vehicle in which he was traveling overturned. He tried to escape, snatching a pistol from the constable. Police told him to surrender himself, but he tried to run away and police shot him dead. It may be recalled that he had recently masterminded the infamous Kanpur shootout case where 8 police personnel were shot dead. He was wanted in more than 60 other criminal cases also. Addressing the India Global Week 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India remains one of the most open economies in the world. He said that there are many possibilities and opportunities in various sunrise sectors of India. He invited global companies to set up business in India, citing reforms and green shoots of recovery. He said India is laying out the red carpet for all global companies to establish their presence in India. Nepal has banned all Indian private news channels except Doordarshan for transmission in its country. It is done as the country feels that these channels did a defamatory coverage of its Prime Minister. Cable operators in Nepal have started pulling the plugs to ban these channels from broadcasting. Now coming to the coronavirus news in India and the world. India saw single day cases cross 25,000 mark. US tele also surges past 65,000 cases in a day. The world also recorded a whooping 2.23 lakh cases in a day. Bolivian president tests positive for the deadly virus. Now let us come to data of day cases in India. India registered 25,790 new cases, taking its tally close to 8 lakh mark. And some 19,407 recoveries were recorded in the day. Active cases rises by 5,903 in a day. The number of new deaths recorded was 479. Now let us come to the parameters for the day for different states.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update.